great. Keep it up. Definitely she's going to beat her old record. 6:49 for her. Very good time. You want some of mine?
3, 2, 1, start.
Boom. All right, let's do it. Good luck, Katina. And don't eat all the garlic. So many bean sprouts, but they are pretty darn good. Mine is too bad.
Oh, hot. She's doing great. Keep it up. Definitely she's going to beat her old record. Let's keep going. What she's saying is, welcome to Taiwan. This is mine. Ah, yeah.
好激烈哦！
Like 6:48. 6:49. 6:49 for her. Very good time. Congratulations. You want some of mine? It's what?
Oh my god, the garlic.
This is Katina's favorite tasting challenge.
哇，那个蒜的味道我真的不可以。
The napkins are totally worthless against this here. Oh, it's okay. I'll use my shirt. Oh, 9:37. I think I'm gonna beat my 15-minute goal.
Get it.
There were 28 people on the Wall of Fame before today, so Sir Matt's getting up there. I think I am. We'll see if Katina is. She's still got half the time limit. Let's go, babe.
Let's go, Katina.
Pretty much noodles. You got it.
On go.
And of course, like I said, she's already up there.
要不要喝一点水？
You need water? You need water?
有开始了。
这个就是。
可以。哎，会真的。
Thank you. Yeah, these are useless. Oh, thank you.
You all right, Sir Matt?
Yeah, I'm good.
Sir Matt has us going to a night market tonight to eat more.
I
which is
literally have the
freaking
hottest
insane.
one.
Well, I'm right there with you.
This is freaking boiling.
You separate it, separate it.
Sabotage, I did. Ugh.
Use that.
We're 11, 12 in, baby. You're doing great.
You're not my personal helper over here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Is it helping?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Like as the noodles are entering my face hole, they're cooling down. Mm.
12 minutes in, we got this. Are they bringing out another one for us? You ready
want
for this
another
next
one?
Sir Matt?
I'm ready. I don't know. I don't know about the garlic though. 那个蒜很呛。
对啊，我刚刚也是有点害怕。可是我是用肉把它
哦把它
有点
就哦，OK，OK
包起来。有很厉害的，真的很厉害。
它应该可以吃完。
可以，一定可以的。
Is he the fan? Oh, he's good.
Yeah, you're good. Thank you, man. You were my hero.
All right. Ooh. I believe that I left no doubt. Ooh, shit. Ooh. All
Oh,
right.
the garlic is in my nose.
I do think that was the most garlic I've ever had in one sitting.
Yeah.
That was wild.
That's right. And the garlic is
But,
like raw.
All of the flavoring throughout that Jiro ramen. What does Jiro mean?
I have no idea. Stamina or something.
Ramen. Okay.
Is it maybe?
Style of ramen, Japanese ramen. That was so good. I've never had that many bean sprouts either before, but ooh, overall it was delicious. Really enjoyed it. I just had to get through all of the sharp, intense flavor of the garlic, but we got it. Now we are all watching Katina Eats Kilos. She still has quite a bit of time. 5 minutes to go, babe. You got this.
Ow.
How old is her now?
Less than a year.
How
Less
long
than
has she been?
less than a year.
1 year.
1 year. Okay.
哦，确实。
Come on, baby, doing great. Give it to her. Easy.
Oh boy. All right. I was certainly not the fastest. But we are on the final bite of, surprisingly, my very first ever ramen challenge.
完成。谢谢。啊，我以为我会超过10公分，怎么了？
I thought it.
耶！我们每个人都已经挑战成功了，每个人都有在20分钟内挑战成功。因为自己已经上次有挑战过1次了，所以大概知道怎么吃。然后遇到很烫的时候，就是尽量的让它散的。就是前面忘记跟
你都没有用水哦？
有，
哦，你有用水哦。
我2罐全部喝光光了。
OK， 很厉害。
不会，就是
比你之前快了多快？快了。
上次是10分，
快了差不多3分钟多，了不起。
我没有了不起，就是因为我上次有吃过1次。如果说因为你们今天都是第一次吃，所以比较不
对啊，它这个挺考技巧的，有一点技巧。
所以你们真的很厉害，很棒。所以下次如果有机会，就是要一起挑战的话，也可以挑就是你们拿手的，然后我去的时候再看看他，大家一起交流这样子。然后今天的话就很高兴可以跟你们一起挑战。那等一下的话，我们去夜市吃东西，还有位吗？
还有位。
有好，因为台湾的美食真的很好吃。等一下的话，我们就去夜市吃东西，然后来好好的庆祝一下。
Okay. So pretty much what she said was, this challenge is quite technical. So because she's done it once, so this is her second time, so she knows like what happens when there's a roadblock, when the thing is hot and everything, what you're supposed to do and all. So this is why pretty much she can do it this quick. And then she said she's asking if you guys still got room, and we're gonna go to the night market and eat some more food.
Okay.
What she said is, "This is my Taiwan. I won."
喜欢这个优质的创作者，就赶快去 follow 他哦！你有发现其他更具爆红潜力的影片吗？赶快投稿给达人秀吧！点击下方观看更多有趣内容。